Trimming your hair at home is a good way to save money and maintain your hairstyle between haircuts. To get started, wash your hair and gently towel dry it so that it's still a little damp. Use the pointed end of a rat tail comb or the corner of a rectangular comb to part your hair from one ear to the other. Be sure to go across the top of your head. Comb the section you just made forward and secure it with a clip or a hair elastic. Next, create a second section that goes around the back of your head from the bottom of one ear to the other. Secure that section with a clip or elastic as well. Grab a small section of the loose hair from one side of your scalp and pinch it between the index and middle fingers on your non-dominant hand. Slide your fingers down the length of the hair until the amount you want to trim off is visible below your fingers. Use sharp, clean hair scissors to trim off the ends that are sticking out from between your fingers. Then pinch off another section of hair next to the one you just cut, along with a small amount of the first section. Repeat the process using the first cut as a guide so that the second and subsequent cuts are even. Unclip the hair that you sectioned off behind your head and repeat the same steps. Then do the same with the front section of your hair.